Hey guys, welcome back to my channel IT Man. Today I'm gonna show you how you can delete just number in Word. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss the update. Let's start the video. As you can see, there are many numbers here, and I want delete all of them just by click. So first of all, you should go through Home tab, and after that you should find a replace here, and then you should type this. You should press Shift and 6 on your keyboard, and then Shift and number 3, and then you should click on replace all. Okay, close it, and as you can see, with just this trick you can delete all number between your text. Thanks for watching to this small video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to never miss the update. Bye.